We shall look at the electronic injection, which is becoming gaining popularity nowadays. An electrical fuel pump draws the fuel from the tank through a filter and supplies the same to injectors at a pressure which is held constant by means of fuel pressure regulator, which returns excess fuel to the tank. This I had told you when I was discussing fuel injector topic also. The excess fuel is returned back to the tank. This prevents vapor lock in all the fuel lines. The injectors are held closed by the spring, are opened by the solenoids energized by ECU, electronic control unit. So here the injectors are held closed they are closed by normal condition by spring, and they are only opened when they are energized by the solenoid. Solenoid means a magnet which electromagnet. So when a magnetic field is created, then only it actuates, opens. Otherwise, by spring it is in closed conditions. So normally closed NC normally closed condition. The strength of the ECU control signal, which determines the open time of the injector to control the amount of fuel injected, depends upon the engine requirements, which are determined by the ECU from the sensor signals from critical locations. So the duration of the opening of the injector depends upon the engine requirements, and these engine requirements are determined by the engine control unit. Okay, that is the brain of the engine, and it gets the sensors from various locations. Like what are the sensors? MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, then barometric pressure, baro pressure it is called, then TPS, throttle position sensor, then CTS, coolant temperature sensor, and VSS, that is vehicle speed sensor. You can see here, this is a layout diagram here. Okay, so this is the engine controller and this is the brain which operates this injector. This is connected to the injector, and for this all the various sensors are there, like mass, vehicle speed sensor, throttle position sensors and all. Okay, so this is that actually throttle, and this is the intake manifold, and this is the valve. Okay, so fuel from the fuel tank, it is filtered, it comes to the fuel pump, it is pumped, and the extra pressure is go back to the tank, and this fuel is supplied to the injector. Here we are seeing one injector. They in multi-cylinder engine you have multiple injectors for the cylinders. Okay, this is the electronic fuel injection, and please understand, in electronic fuel injection there is no mechanical injection. It is the opening of the injector is only because of the energizing of solenoid. Energizing means when the electrical energy is supplied, it becomes magnet, and then the magnet pulls the solenoid, so the valve is opened first. This is as simple as that, and the return operation is done by the spring. Okay, and the solenoid is actuated based on the engine requirements, which are decided by the ECU, that is the engine control unit, and ECU has got many sensors to it. These are one of few sensors. You still have some more sensors, and based on that the injection of the fuel in the cylinder takes place. So this was about electronic fuel injection. Thank you.